everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are unboxing something. I'm a little late in unboxing this, probably because it's been really hard to find in stores, which makes me very happy personally that this has actually been selling out. But it's Tom and Jerry, the Golden Era Anthology. This is all of the theatrical Tom and Jerry shorts that were released in one Blu-ray collection. Now, this is significant because, as I pointed out in a print review that I did for the Fandom Post, uh, this is the first time that all the Tom and Jerry cartoons are available in one set. They have released three previous Tom and Jerry Blu-rays, and those were very nice Blu-rays, don't get me wrong, but they didn't put them in chronological order. There were certain cartoons that were skipped because of some of the content in the cartoons. But now they have finally done a full set in order. This is the definitive set. And as someone who's been watching the DVD as a review copy, I can tell you, even the DVD looks great, but the DVD also doesn't have things like special features and stuff. Not really. So the Blu-ray is definitely a thing you're going to want to do. And we have an interesting little cover with Tom and Jerry doing a little dance. In fact, they don't seem to really hint that Tom and Jerry are, you know, not friends, not really. But the Blu-ray, compared to the DVD, does have some featurettes, some vintage featurettes, a few bonus shorts. I don't know what those bonus shorts are. I'm assuming they're not Tom and Jerry related, but those who want can tell me. And let's take a look to see what inside this set looks like. And again, this has been the only reason it's taken this long to unbox it, because this is one that I pre-ordered, is just because they totally underestimated how popular this set would be, and they've been doing a couple shipments, and I finally got mine with one of the shipments. But again, thank you, Warner Brothers, for the review copy, so I could at least enjoy some of the shorts, even if they weren't in high definition. So let's take this off, and okay, here's something nice, a little booklet here, The Art of Tom and Jerry. So this has a bunch of, this describes some historical, this gives credit about major events in the series. There's some artwork here that it's nice to see the animators and stuff getting the credit that they deserve. I wonder if there's a way that I could put this in the Blu-ray rather than have it kind of sitting on top of it. I guess we'll see on that one, but yeah, so anyway, let's open this, and here are the discs. They actually look pretty similar to the DVDs. I rarely compare to the DVDs. I've just been working with the DVD set that the DVDs are more brown. So, oh, that one's falling out. Okay, they all look the same except for they tell you which disc number it is. But, okay, I guess that's fine. That's all you really need. I don't know. This one isn't really. There we go. Finally. By the way, each disc has this little warning label that this is for an adult collector and may not be suitable for children. I think that's definitely good to have. And this is, by the way, where the biggest difference from the DVD and the Blu-ray is. The DVD stops at disc 5, but the Blu-ray set has this 6th disc. I think they colored it this way to signify that it was going to be a specials disc. And this is the special features. So you can actually read the warning much more clear on that one. So I don't think I'm going to try. That works. That works. Okay, that works. Will it close? That's a no, it doesn't close. So okay, that does not work. That is why they did it that way. So I'm assuming this slipcover is always going to be part of the set, because otherwise, how do you how do you keep this thing on? Or maybe this art book is only going to be with like the first few press copies. Maybe the art book gets discontinued at some point. I have no idea, but you might want to grab it just to be on the safe side if you really want that booklet. But there it is. There's the Tom and Jerry, the Golden Era Anthology set. Very nice set. I love Warner Archive. I love what they do. And by the way, they largely don't do manufacture on-demand discs anymore. They do like proper press discs like you see in this set. So, but I would like to know, have any of you gotten this set? What do you think about it? And I hope that this encourages Warner Brothers to do more definitive Blu-ray sets, was like the Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies. No more of these, oh, this is collection 1, it has these shorts, this is collection 2. Like, no, just make it in order, make it complete, include the censored 13. I think it's time we just get that all out there. This is a great new gold standard for classic animation on Blu-ray. But I'd like to know what you think about this set, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.